Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Google AI Studio in 2026. If you're new to the platform and want to begin creating AI prompts, testing models, and building AI-powered projects, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. First, open your web browser and visit Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, and once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where all of the available tools are located. Next, take a few minutes to explore the interface. You'll find options for creating prompts, selecting AI models, managing projects, and accessing API features if they're available for your account. Now click New Prompt or Create Prompt to start your first project. Choose an AI model, then type a simple request, such as asking a question, generating content, summarizing text, or writing code. Next, click the Run or Generate button and wait a few seconds for the AI to respond. Review the result and make changes to your prompt if you'd like a different or more detailed answer. As you become more familiar with the platform, experiment with different prompt styles and model settings to see how they affect the responses. Finally, if you plan to build AI applications, explore the API section and review the available documentation to learn how to connect Google AI Studio with your own projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get started with Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.